Certain parts of the state have been spared significant snowfalls the past couple of years. That hasn't been the case in Worcester. Zinnia Maldonado is live there with how the city is prepping for this one. Zinnia.
Well, Anna, it is the city of Worcester declaring a snow emergency tonight. But as you can see, they're prepared. We got gallons of de-icer, plenty of plow trucks out here. And DPW says crews are going to be ready to hit the roads as soon as the snow begins to fall in just a couple of hours.
We're going to hunker down like everybody else in Worcester.
Staying inside on Saturday, the best bet for many, as nearly 2 feet of snow is expected to fall in Worcester.
I'm putting my snowblower out in the driveway because I keep it in the back and I don't know when I go through there. When I got it all covered up, I'm just getting gas now.
Friday night, residents racing against the clock to fill up their tank.
I'm getting gas in the car because I pushed it off all week, but I'm not working tomorrow, so I'm lucky about that. I just hope I don't lose power.
And their fridge.
We cannot go shopping tomorrow, so yeah, we bought everything we need for the food for the next 2 days.
I bought some groceries for me and my son, and we're going to enjoy a nice snow day, play some Monopoly, Worcester Monopoly.
And of course, you can't forget the ice melt, windshield scraper, and a shovel.
Buying a snow shovel, because being in an apartment in Worcester, you never know when you're going to have to clear your car out of the on-street parking.
The city also declaring a winter parking ban and a travel ban, both going into effect Friday night to keep roads clear as crews begin to work. And Worcester officials say residents can move their cars from the street to a city-owned parking garage free of charge until that parking ban is lifted. We're live in Worcester tonight. Zinnia Maldonado, WBZ News.
That's good to know, Zinnia. Thank you.